Coming to you live. This is the American Filipino back. Now look at this. You see how they're acting now? Now watch this. You ready to eat? You ready to eat? Yeah, see now they're talking to me because I have Kittles and Bits here. This is the Kittles and Bits cat food. Here it is right here. See? Kittles and Bits. Yes. Okay, we're gonna feed you. Here you go. There they go. They're eating away. Animals are funny. You know, you try to talk to them and sometimes they ignore you and they don't have too much to say. And but when you bring them food and you start talking to them, guess what? They start talking to you back. And one thing about an animal, if you feed an animal, you talk to an animal, that animal will be loyal to you. That animal will never, ever leave you. Unfortunately, humans are not like that. But anyway, American Filipino sounding off. Thank you for sharing this time with me today. Cat time. Yes. Dinner. Take care, everyone, and love your pets.